it's me again. I'm cutting a 12-inch bar here, or the bar 12 inches, so I can fit it in my lathe. Basically, it's for the handle here. This is a little over 11.5 inches. I'm going to cut it at 12, give me a little bit of play, and basically I will attempt to cut it. I've never ordered high strength steel, so I don't know how it's going to play out. First, it would help if I plugged in the grinder. Let's see. Let's plug it on this side. It's one of the bonuses of having putting a plug on the other side of the. I put one in one corner, one in the other corner. It's only plugged into one wall socket, but shit, it's pretty good. Anyway, I'll lower the noise in editing this video. Well, that was pretty rough. Where the hell did the bar go now? It's under somewhere. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so anyway, this is my nightmare. I probably should have worn some different pants, but oh well. So yeah, there's the replacement bar. It's gonna go in there. I'm gonna see if I can teach myself how to machine this. Anyway, this is part 1 of this thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll add a few more videos in here just to show you. Hello YouTube, I'm just going to cut this off. It's going to, what do you call it? Give me something to do. Oops. I wasn't supposed to turn the camera off. Anyway YouTube, I'm cutting this off, and I want to see if the bar fits in there and do some other little exploratory surgery. There we go. This is the old bar. This will be the new one. Fits in there nice. I gotta do some, I don't know. I'm not even sure what the hell to do on here. I'm not really a machinist, but I'm guessing that's just I don't know. I guess I just machine it down to any old freaking size and just make a piece for it. So I figured out that's the size. That can go in here like so. Brand new thingamabobber. For that, not bad. I was just playing around with it. I'm not really good at it. I don't know what the settings are or whatever perfect, but for a guy that's machined like all the 5 things, I don't consider it that bad. I mean, considering I could just sand it. I know I have to, I know the little bubble in there means I have to adjust the height of it. It's not centered properly. It's got to go up a little. So I have to remember to make me some shims and fix it. I would like a chuck that is adjustable, but oh well. I'll clean this off next. Clean the screw, and then I'm gonna basically weld all this up, put it on the machine, and ta-da! A little bit at a time.